The Last of Us star Ashley Johnson's ex-boyfriend Brian Wayne Foster's bank account is about to see some extra zeros. In court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, Johnson has been ordered to pay him a whopping $40,000 in attorney fees after her domestic violence restraining order against him was dismissed. A Los Angeles court issued the order on Tuesday. The court grants respondents' request for attorney's fees pursuant to Family Code Section 6344A in the amount of $40,000 to be payable by the petitioner to respondent no later than December 2023, the minute order read. The document also stated that Johnson's request for the Domestic Violence Restraining Order, DVRO, was brought without merit and the request was frivolous. The court also found that the actress' DVRO was brought for an improper purpose to gain an upper hand in litigation, adding, there was no reasonable case for a restraining order after examination of the totality of the evidence. As RadarOnline.com reported, Foster demanded $47,629.05 from Johnson, claiming her DVRO filing was not to prevent abuse, but rather to gain leverage in settlement negotiations over the termination of their romantic partnership, and destroy Foster's reputation and ability to earn a living. The Talks Machina host said he lost sponsorships and was exposed to ridicule, humiliation, and death threats over his ex-girlfriend's allegations. RadarOnline.com broke the story. Johnson's request for a restraining order was dismissed in September, months after she was granted an emergency protection order. The actress' fight didn't stop there. Johnson and 6 other women, including her sister, filed a lawsuit against Foster, alleging sexual battery, stalking, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. The women unfortunate enough to have crossed his path were subjected to a common threat of physical and sexual violence as well as mental and emotional abuse, the suit read. Foster has left a trail of victims whose lives he sought to control through various lies, threats, intimidation, and manipulation. Visit the all-new Radar Sports for all the on- and off-field activities of the biggest names in the games. After years of suffering Foster's abuse and after being pushed towards an emotional breakdown as a result, plaintiffs have had enough, the filing continued. They will neither tolerate being abused by Foster nor will they be deterred by his ongoing and pervasive threats and behaviors. Plaintiffs bring this action to seek some measure of justice not only for themselves but also for the many other women who have been similarly abused by Foster.